You love Attack on Titan? So do we. Hello everyone. Welcome to topanime.com, where you can learn everything about anime. Also make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss the update. So, without further ado, let's look at our top 10 strongest characters in AOT. Number 10, Cart Titan. As revealed in Season 3 of the anime, the Cart Titan is physically different from a standard Titan, pure or shifter. It has a quadrupedal form, allowing it to use all four limbs for movement. This gives it a major advantage on two fronts. 1, it can carry things on its back, and 2, it is extremely agile. In Season 4's Episode 1, The Other Side of the Sea, we see the Cart Titan in its full militarized capacity, acting as a mobile machine gun in a war between Mali and the Mid-East allies. Number 9, Ymir.
私がその秘密を明かしたとき、お前は元の名前を名乗って生きろ。
Ymir was able to transform herself into the Joe Titan, a 5-meter Titan. She gained this ability after she ate Marcel Galliard, a warrior from Mali, in the year 845. Like other Titans, Ymir had shown the ability to automatically heal any injury and even regrow entire limbs. When she lost her right arm and leg at the Battle of Utgard Castle, she was able to regenerate them in a matter of hours. Number 8, Annie Leonhardt. She possessed the ability to transform into a Titan known as the Female Titan. In the year 845, she is sent on a mission to retrieve the founding Titan, along with fellow warriors Rainer Braun, Bertolt Hoover, and Marcel Galliard. As the female Titan, she serves as a major antagonist prior to her defeat, at which point she crystallizes herself and is left in a comatose state. She was held underground in the custody of the Survey Corps for approximately 4 years before escaping. Number 7, Mikasa Ackerman. After her parents were murdered by human traffickers, Mikasa was rescued by Eren Yeager and lived with him and his parents, Grisha and Kala, before the fall of Wall Maria. Though she desires only to live a peaceful life, Mikasa entered into the military where she is considered the best soldier among the 104th Training Corps. She later enlists in the Survey Corps to follow and protect Eren, becoming one of its greatest assets.
私の特技を体験したい方がいれば、どうぞ一番先に近づいてきてください。
Number 6, Rainer Braun.
29、一度数は把握した。しかし、また壁かよ。
Rainer Braun is the vice captain of the warrior unit and the main protagonist of Attack on Titan from the Malian perspective. At the age of 10, he inherited the power of the Armored Titan. Rainer's Armored Titan form is 15 meters tall and has white plates of hardened skin covering the entirety of its body, except for muscles in its cheeks that become exposed when it opens its lipless jaw, as well as the muscle tissue behind its knees, elbows, and feet. Its eyes are covered by white, organic lenses, and it has short, blonde hair. Number 5, Warhammer Titan. The Warhammer Titan was one of the 9 Titans, and it possessed the ability to create structures out of hardened Titan flesh. After Eren Yeager's attack, Titan kills and eats Willy following his declaration of war, his younger sister transforms into the Warhammer Titan. The Warhammer Titan could produce and manipulate structures that were made of hardened Titan flesh. These structures could be weaponized, for example, forming pikes large enough to impale and lift a Titan, flooding areas with protrusions such as spikes, and manifesting the Titan's signature Warhammer. Number 4, Amin Alit.
君はその頭で何度も我々を窮地から救い出してくれた。まさに今、その力が必要な時だ。
He is a childhood friend of Eren Yeager and Mikasa Ackerman, and one of the 2 protagonists of the series. Although he appears to be among the physically weakest of the 104th Training Corps, his intelligence and strategic genius makes him an invaluable asset, especially when paired with Hangi. After the Battle of Shiganshina district, he took the power of the Titans from Bertolt Hoover and came in possession of the Colossus Titan. Number 3. Beast Titan. The Beast Titan was one of the 9 titans. Typically, it was slightly larger than most titans and took on an animal-like appearance. Zeke Yeager's Beast Titan had several unique abilities that no other known Beast Titan had thanks to his royal blood and throwing experience. The nature of its power was similar to that of the founding Titan. Zeke Yeager's ape-like Beast Titan possessed a devastating ability to throw objects with great accuracy and immense destructive capability. This was notably used during the Battle of Shiganshina District to wipe out most of the Survey Corps with crushed rocks.
同じ言語のはずなんだが、怯えてそれどころじゃないのか。つうか剣とか使ってんのか。やっぱうなじにいるってことは知ってんだね。まあいいや。持って帰れば。
まだかな。
Number 2. Eren Yeager.
敵を駆逐するまで。
Eren Yeager was a former member of the Survey Corps. He was the main protagonist of Attack on Titan. He lived in Shiganshina district with his parents until the fall of Wall Maria, where he impotently witnessed his mother being eaten by a titan. Eren possessed the power of 3 titans. From his father, Eren inherited the Attack and Founding Titans. After eating the younger sister of Willy Tiber during the raid on Liberio, he gained the Warhammer Titan as well. Eren's pure Titan form was much shorter than his current Titan form. It was 4 meters tall with short, rugged hair and a jagged, lipless mouth that exposed his teeth. His pure Titan form also had a big head, elongated ears and an overall stocky build.
始祖の巨人参奪者進撃の巨人総員持ち前戦闘用意島まで行く手間が省けたエレン・イエーガーご本人がお越しだ了解
かわいそうに。なんだ俺の巨人が倒れて。
And finally we have our all-time favorite Levi Ackerman, often formally referred to as Captain Levi, is the squad captain of the Special Operations Squad within the Survey Corps and is widely known as humanity's strongest soldier. Levi has an unusual fighting stance that involves holding his right sword backhanded with the blade facing out and being behind him instead of in front of him. By doing this, the blades cut in a circle around him and give him the ability to utilize spinning and other rotating attacks, allowing him to maintain incredible speed and agility while fighting. During the Battle of Shiganshina, Levi blinded and severely wounded Zeke. In vengeance, he told the remaining Titans to kill Levi. Levi surprised Zeke not only by his survival but by having followed him all the way to the location of Eren Yeager. Zeke realized Levi was too much and decided to fall back and leave Paradise Island with Reiner Braun after abandoning Bertolt Hoover. So, who is your number 1? Comment down below, and see you until our next video. Till then, stay safe and take care.
巨人化直後、体を激しく損傷し、回復に手一杯のうちは巨人化できない。そうだったよな。おい、返事しろよ。失礼なやつだな。こいつはまだ殺せない。誰か生きてるやつはいねえのか。瀕死でもいい。まだ息さえあれば、この注射を使って巨人にする。そいつにこいつを食わせて獣の巨人の力を奪う。誰か一人だけ生き返らせることが。おい、どこに行く。止まれ。
お前らあいつを殺せ痛えやりやがったなリヴァイ痛えよ だが武器は使い果たした頃だろう。お前らはこれで全滅。かなり危なかったが我々の勝ちだ。
待てよ、俺はあいつに誓ったんだ。必ずお前を殺すと。誓った。